what I did was, you see, it was like list view here, okay? The data role was a list view. But the moment I change this to navbar, then I can apply things like these. Data icon. And I can choose one of the data icons that I have here. So let me choose a data icon gear. So you can see I get this data icon. Cool. But the data icon inside an A works only if the A is inside navbar. And these are the things that you have to look in the documentation for. And even I still get lost with this. So I was trying it with the list view on, it didn't work, but with navbar it works. Also, once you get the data icon, you can do things like this. You can do things like, I think it's icon position, data icon pause, icon position. I think you can do things like right. Didn't like that, did it? Data inline equals true. No, that didn't work. Let me see if it does it in the browser. Now, by default it is coming on top on an A. I think I need to define it as a button. If I say, is it button? Is it UI? The new jQuery has things like UI button class top or something, and data icon position also works, but probably doesn't work in navbar. Probably works in places like these where you have the back button, like you can get this to the right. Not sure, but have a play with this and set up your first page with multiple pages. Set up a page which has 2 or 3 sections that you can go to. One last thing is, when you want to start manually styling your CSS, what you can do is you can make a new CSS file, save it as, I'll just save it on the jQuery mobile as my CSS, and then I will link it to my main page. So I think under window styles, an easy way to link it is you can do it through the code, or you can just press the link button, browse. That's my mobile class, jQuery mobile, my CSS. What this allows you to do is, once you have linked your my CSS file here, and you can see it's come here, I'm going to close it from as a separate file. All of your linked files appear here on top. You see these? So I can go to CSS and let me just make a class header BG. A lot of jQuery mobile CSS will overwrite your CSS and won't let you change it easily. So can't guarantee this will work, but let's try it. Header BG, let's go color, header BG, background, color. It may not let me do this because it might come from a theme, header BG, but let me try it anyway. No, doesn't do that. Let me try giving it an image. Let me see if it allows me to do it in the content area. Yeah, so you can see it allowed me to do it in the content area, not in the header area. And again, that has something to do with the data role, you know. So if the data role is header, he's going to set up. So there are these built-in scripts. And you can see how many of them are there. If I just dig in, so that's one of the scripts I'm using. So for me to go and dig into this and clean it up, it's going to be a nightmare. So what I try to do is I try to override it with my own CSS wherever I can. I customize it. Anything which I can't customize, I try to customize it using the theme roller. After I do my themes, I download it, link it. But today, have a play with this one page and have some sublinks. I'll stop the recording now. And there are these two videos. I'll see if I can put them together as one video.